Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is profitability ratio. The owner and investor have the interest of earning of the company and thereby the invest of the money. Profitability work as a measure and efficiency and control high of the profit. High and the similar and efficiency the proper control of establishment organization where higher profit and profitability providing the necessary fund from the expansion and daily satisfaction or the maintaining solvency of the business. Profitability ratio indicate the profit earning capacity of a business. Profitability ratio are calculated either in a relation to sale or in relation of investment. Profitability ratio can be classified into two categories. First one general profitability ratio, second one overall profitability ratio. General profitability ratio, first one gross profit ratio, second one net profit ratio, third one operating ratio, fourth one operating profit ratio, and fifth one expensive ratio. First one gross profit ratio. It establishes the relationship between gross profit and sale. Gross profit is resulting of the sales and cost of goods control and goods sold. It expresses the relationship gross profit of net sale in the express in the term of percentage. The ratio is the tool that indicate the degree of which selling price of goods per unit may be declined within the resulting is losing. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net profit multiply 100. Gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold, and cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchase plus direct expenses minus closing stock, and net sale is equal to sale minus sale of return. A low gross profit ratio may be indicate unfavorable purchasing, the instability of the management to develop sale volume, thereby making the impossible buy of a goods large volume. Second one net profit ratio. The expresses the relationship between net profit after tax sale. Measure of overall profitability useful to appropriate as a give in the idea of the efficiency as well as profitability of the business to limited extent. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by net sale multiply 100. Net profit is equal to gross profit plus other income minus indirect expenses. The ratio more profitability the business will be, it is an indicator on the efficiency of the management. High ratio better is a profitability ratio indicate the business can be survived even in case rising cost of decreasing selling price of goods of sold. Third one operating ratio. The relationship between the operating expenses and sale is called operating ratio. Is complementary and net profit ratio also called. This ratio establishes relationship between cost and goods sold plus the other operating expense in net sale. The ratio calculates straining operational efficiency of the management thereof business operated. Operating ratio is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sale. Higher the ratio, less probable in the because the smaller margin to meet interest, dividend and other cooperative need. The ratio is partial income and profitability ratio. Profitability operating profit ratio. The ratio establishing the relationship between operation profit and net sale. Operating profit is equal to operating profit divided by 100. Operating profit divided by net sale multiply 100. Operating profit ratio is equal to 100 operating ratio. Operating profit is equal to net sale minus cost of goods sold, administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. Expensive ratio. It establishes relationship between individual operation expenses and net sale revenue. Cost of goods sold ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by net sale multiply 100. Second, admin and office expenses ratio is equal to office and administrative expenses divided by net sale multiply 100. Third one, selling and distribution ratio is equal to selling and distribution expenses divided by net sale multiply में 100. Non-operating expenses ratio, non-operating expenses and losses divided by net sale multiply में 100. Thank you.